On the 93rd Air Force Day, Indian Air Force has organized a special air show at Guwahati. We are at this air show at the Lachit Ghat on the banks of the Brahmaputra, and this is for the first time ever that Indian Air Force has organized an air show that features not only its famous aerial acrobatic team of Sarang helicopters and Surya Kiran, but it also features the frontline fighters of Indian Air Force like the Rafales, the Sukhoi 30 or the Tejas and the Mirage, also attack helicopters like the Apache, and even transport helicopters like the Chinook and the other air asset including the Hercules C-130 Globemaster. So therefore 75 aircrafts from different categories of Indian Air Force are on display in this very special air show. First time being held on the banks of the Brahmaputra. First time such a massive air show being held anywhere in Northeast India in the presence of the Chief of Air Staff, Assam Chief Minister and Assam Governor. So this is a major show of strength of Indian Air Force in terms of its professionalism, its power in the air, and also the prowess of operations. Remember, this is a major air show that is taking place where all the air assets that were used in the Operation Sindoor are being showcased. You can see here at this moment, if I can ask my camera person to pan, Sarang, the aerial acrobatic helicopter team of Indian Air Force, they are now showing their maneuvers. There is a massive turnout at the banks of Brahmaputra with hundreds of people lining up to see the air show. But the greatest attraction, however, are the frontline fighter aircrafts like the Rafales, the Tejas, also the Mirage, and not to forget the Su-30. All the frontline fighter bases in North Bengal and Northeast India are being used for this air show. You can see this air show is under progress at this moment. We can tell you is also that many of the newest Indian Air Force as well as the Chinook, or for that matter of fact the advanced light helicopter like the Dhruv, are being shown. Remember, this is a major air show that is taking place in the eastern frontier, and perhaps when very recently we have seen action through Operation Sindoor in the western frontier. Here in the eastern front, where we have 5 neighboring countries, the Indian Air Force prepared, and it is just going to show its strength as well in the eastern frontier. So this is a rare air show that has taken place in Guwahati by Indian Air Force with the help of Assam government. The Air Force plans to organize similar shows in other parts of Northeast India, something which not only is a reach out by the Air Force to the people of the region, but perhaps given the fact that Northeast India has a strategic importance, this air show and the kind of air assets that are being showcased in this air show kind of also sends across subtle message across the border. You can see here several aerial acrobats are being performed apart from the show of power through the frontline fighter aircrafts like the Rafales, or for that matter of fact the Apache attack helicopters. But what is important to note is that this is perhaps a beginning of how Indian Air Force would like to send across a message that how the eastern frontiers are also being protected in the air. With camera Sanjay Chakravarti in Guwahati, Lachit Ghat, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.